Basic grade into math module 14, add and subtract decimals. So this is the beginning of 14, so the stuff that we're going to be learning about in this module. So what is the secret word? Each letter in the problems represent a digit from 0 to 9. Use reasoning to find the digits that each letter represents. Record the letters to reveal a secret word. The letters for 4 and 9 are shown. Okay, so they already gave us what, so wherever there's a letter S, that would be the number 9, right? Okay, is that all of our letter S's? Okay, and then the letter E's are 4. Okay, is that all of them? All right, so basically what we have to do is figure out the other one. Okay, so if we come over here, 9 plus 9 is what? 18, so we put an 8 and carry a 1. Okay. All right. So somehow over here we have to get something plus 4. Okay. And then we need to get T. Anybody have an idea of what T could be?
10.
Okay. Why? We could put 10, right? So we could put so we put a 0 and carry the 1. All right. So if that's the case, and we had a 0 there, and we have a 0 here, okay, what can some of these other ones be? Okay, so if you got 8 there, and we said, so what would that O be? Is anybody figure out yet? 6? Okay, I heard a 6. So 6 plus 1 is 7, so P must be what? 3. So 3. Okay, so we said what? P was 3. Okay, so then 10 carry the 1. We need 8. So what? And then this could be a 6, right? If that's a 6, you carry this. This would be a 1, right? Okay, so what can A and Z be? What do you guys think? No. If I tell you A is 2, what would that make Z? 5. Okay, so let's fill these in real quick. So we decided P was what? 3. O was 6. Okay, 5 was Z. 2 was A. 1 is R, right? Is R, what was 1? Oh, I put that in the wrong spot. Okay, so TR. What do you guys think that might be? Trapezoid. Okay, so 7 we decided was I, right? 8 is D. And then does that work? 8 minus 8 is 0. Okay. 1 minus, oh, whoops, 6. Or 7 minus 6 is 1. Does that make sense? Okay, Z we said was 5. So then this would have had to become a what? A 14. And so this was a 1 and became a 0, right? Okay. Okay. So we said Z was what? 5, 5, and then 0 carried a 1. Okay. P we said was 3. D we said was 8. A we said was, oh, because we would have had to regroup, right? So then that would get us 12, carry the 1. A we said was 2. Z we said was 5. So 5 plus 2 plus 1 is 8, which we said was D. So did that work out for us? Okay. So how can you find the digit that the letter R represents without knowing any other digit? So we started over with this first equation, right? Okay. And then what did we have to do? We had to go from the thousands and regroup into the 10,000s, right, to get us 1. So we regroup from the thousands to the 10,000s, which meant R equals 1, right? Which of the 3 problems could you use to find the digit for T? So, T, what did we do? What could we got? So we kind of just like tried some different things out. But where could we have done this the easiest? Because over here, D minus D, you know, would get you what? Because it's something minus itself. So the subtraction problem. So the middle subtraction problem with D minus, oops. With D minus D has to equal 0, right? Okay. So then that meant that T would equal 0. Explain how you found the digits represented by the other letters. So basically, we just kind of did trial and error, right? Okay, of what would give us the right answer. So we use trial and error to see which numbers would work where. Are you ready? Complete these problems to review prior concepts and skills you will need for this module. 2-digit addition and subtraction. Line this up. So 5 plus, we work from the 1s, and then the 10s, you work from least to greatest, right guys? Okay, so 5 plus 8 is 13. Here you go, 1. 1 plus 3 plus 5 is 9. Our answer is 93. Okay, so we are going to subtract. So can I take 9 from 4? Nope, so this becomes 14, and this becomes a 5. Because we have to regroup and go next door and take 10 more, right? So 14 minus 9 is 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. Our answer for that one is 25. Okay, so we are going to subtract. So 5 minus 6, 1. This becomes 15. This would be 10. We'd have to regroup with a 10, but but we can't do that. So this is a 15, this becomes a 9, and this becomes a 2. So 15 minus 6 is 9. 9 minus 5 is 4, and bring down the 2. Next one, we start out regrouping, and this is a 10. This is a 9, and this is a 4. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 3 is 6. 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay. 2 becomes a 12. Have to go next door, take 10 more, so this becomes a 9. The 3 becomes a 2. And do I have to regroup with the 4? No. Okay. So 12 minus 3 is 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. 2 minus 2 is 0. And bring down the 4. So my answer is 4,069. Let's go ahead and circle these answers so we don't get them mixed up with our regrouping. Okay, next one, 6 becomes 16. Go next door, this becomes a 9. Go next door, this becomes a 9. Now, would I have had to regroup? No. Well, technically we had to come and borrow, so we would still have to borrow again, right? So this becomes a 1. So 16 minus 8 is 8. 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 bring down the 9 and bring down the 1. Okay. 4 becomes 14. 2 becomes 11 because you had to go next door, take 10 more. Go next door, take 10 more. This becomes a 9. And then would I need to go next door? Yes, because you wouldn't have been able to take 8 from 0, right? So go next door, and the 5 becomes a 4. 14 minus 6 is 8. 11 minus 7 is 4. 9 minus 8 is 1. And bring down the 4. So 4,148. Now, could you also do them step by step? Yes. So this would become a 17. This would become a 9 because we automatically know, right? So 17 minus 8 is what? 9. 9 minus 8 is 1. Now, could I have taken the 8 from the 0? No. So I would have had to go next door and make that 5 a 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. So 119. Place value to 10 thousands. Write the value of the underlying digit. So what is the value of that? 10. It's in the 10 spot, 50, but there's 5 of those 10, so it would be 50. Okay, next one is in the what spot? Thousands, so it would be 5,000. Okay, so basically you write the number, right? And then what place value is it in? 100, so it would be 600. Okay, next one, our number is 2, and what place value is it in? 200. Okay, next one, what is our number? 5. What place value is it in? 1, so it just stays 5. Next one, what is our number? 0, and of course if there isn't any, then it's just 0.